All right, so I've had a few people ask me about the setup that I use here for flattening slabs. So I'll show you really quickly. It's super simple and does a great job. So first off, obviously I have my router, and I just have a Mastercraft, I think it's 2 horsepower plunge router. I got it off of Kijiji in Canada, kind of like Craigslist in the States. Thing's done a great job, got it for super cheap. Just goes to show that you don't need the best of tools to get started doing this. I think I paid 150 bucks for it. So, and I've flattened countless slabs. So in the router itself, I have a 1-inch straight flute bit, which is what I use to flatten. Unfortunately, my flattening bit for my CNC machine, which is also router compatible, it's only got a 1/4-inch shank, and even with the reducer, I don't have the length that I need. So the shaft isn't long enough. So this bit would actually sit right down on the plate, which doesn't give me enough room through the sled. So I'd love to use this thing, but unfortunately I can't, because that would literally shave half the time off, because it's twice as big, and it's nice that it has those carbide inserts for the teeth that you just rotate when they get dull. So it's a pretty simple design. Nick Offerman, check it out on Google for the plans. Super simple. I just use 2 2x6s that I've used my joiner and flatten the tops and the bottom, so these things are perfectly flat, one on each side, and then my sled rides on top of these, which holds the sled level, which keeps your bit level, and as you come across your material, it flattens it nice and smooth. So that's the setup. Super easy to do, and it gives really great results. So got a little bit of step over, you just have to sand that scalloping out, which isn't too bad, and you end up with a nice big flat slab. I've already done both sides. This one's ready to go, ready for some sanding, and yeah, that's about it. Super simple, fairly cheap, works great.